All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you the exact tool that we use here to record practically everything. This is the Atamos Ninja 5 recorder. I want to show you this because I need you to get one of these. Now, I'm not an affiliate of this. I'm not getting paid to tell you this. The single reason that we've been able to create so much content, if you use a Sony camera, chances are Sony cameras get heated up so fast. So if you store everything in an inside SD card, the problem they're going to run into is that you're going to heat up the camera because it's got a lot of internal writing files at 4K. However, when you use a recorder, you don't use the internal memory and all of this processing power of the camera. Camera just becomes like a webcam. The recorder does all the work. And it's so freaking easy. This has been a hack my video team primarily taught me early on in this. I mean, this is like our 5th recorder now. There's not a room where we're creating content where we don't have a recorder is doing all the recording work. So if we have a multi-angle camera, which is our main studio, has 3 cameras, all 3 of them have a recorder attached to it. We just go record, 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 and we do our thing. All the camera's doing is camera just on. I can go on for 8 hours, never heat up my camera, and I could record for as long as my hard drive is on the back of a recorder. So for my folks that are just looking at it, this is what it looks like. And I love this device because once I get the hang of how to use something, quite honestly, like I'm the most loyal customer you can get. You sell me on an iPhone, I'll never go to an Android because once I know how to use it, I don't want to relearn how to use something. This is the thing about me, because I find my time in figuring something out more valuable than the benefit of switching whatever it is that I'm trying to get. So inside the box, guys, this is what you get. Some brochure that I'm never gonna read, and I'm showing you how the power works. I'm gonna give you that. This is for international power setup. And we're gonna need this little piece right here to connect this whole thing. Super simple. Again, I want you to really think about getting a recorder. I want to show you this and how our workflow is. That's what I want you to understand. What is my workflow? How do I churn out so much content? And how can you do the exact same thing? So this guy needs power, which is super simple. So if you ever have like a monitor, this is an exact same thing. This is a monitor and a recorder. Now, I need everything to be recorded. I'm not interested in just monitoring it. So this is a monitor / recorder at the same time. So you take this power cord and you plug it on the back over here in this little device. You should be able to see everything that I'm doing. Once you plug that in, we're gonna go ahead and take this guy, and this becomes kind of like your full-on power. So right here, so now when I plug in this to the wall, I take this sucker, plug it in, boom, plug this in to the wall. Recorder has full-on power. I'm gonna peel this off for you guys so you guys don't need to deal with this sticker. And then all we need is a hard drive on the back of this, which they have a little cover, and you slide in an SSD of 1 terabyte SSD on the back of this, and then you're ready to go. And all you need is an HDMI cable out from the camera into the in section of the recorder. And I just hit record button day in and day out. That's literally it. This is my workflow. I have a recorder in every single camera room that I'm in, whether it is my office that I work in, the desk that I coach out of, every single place that I am creating content, I have a recorder. And then when I'm ready to create content, my camera is always on and I just hit record. My team always puts in a new hard drive for me so I don't have to worry about it. Hit the record button, off I go. Whether it's a phone call, whether it's me coaching somebody, whether it is giving ideas to my marketing team, whether it's us reviewing metrics, anything that I feel like can be repurposed short-term content or into a vlog or something like that. So what I did is I ordered one more for a new camera that I just set up at my desk. I said, I need a recorder. And because that time came up, I'm like, you know what? Let's share with the world what my workflow is so you guys can go and get something like this. This has been a game changer because I have so many of them and I'm probably a really good customer of Atamos. And I looked at all of the different things that they have. For an average person that's trying to create content, you don't need anything more fancier than this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.